Last time I was here is the Peanuts Festival. Now today it's the Boysenberry Festival. So let's roll in and see what they got new. A little busy today with some of the schools, it looks like. But one of the things to do note about Knott is Fast Pass. They give it to you at the entrance. It's not like as if you have to go to one of the other stores and go pick it up. So they do give it to you at the entrance. They do offer it to put on for you if you want. If not, you can put it on yourself, which I always do because I want to have the little bit of flexibility of the room. But yeah, know the deal, know where to get your Fast Pass. And it looks like we're going to GhostRider maybe first. So it looks like the line for GhostRider goes in and stops at the Ghost Miner. No, sorry, the Gold Miner. Sorry, but they're walking through now. Me, I got me a Fast Pass. I'm rolling through. I'm gonna go stand on the top of the stairs and see who gets on the ride. It's gonna be me. like the vendors out at Christmas. They're out here right now, Boysenberry. They're here. They're on this side. and they're over next to GhostRider. So come on and check the vendors. The vendors have a lot of cool items for Boysenberry Festival. So again, come enjoy. Let's see what else we got.
Xcelerator, please keep your head back, feet flat, hold on tight, enjoy your ride.
3 reds and a green, and go! That felt so much faster!
Got DJ Blaze in the house, rolling on Knotts. And what was that ride? What was that? What did you refer to that ride as?
Bussin'.
So I got 2 rides of GhostRider. This was the first ride of Xcelerator today. Front row, thank goodness. I think we're going back on. Are we going back on?
I think so.
He's getting his steps in. Woo, let's go.
We'll see you later on the Xcelerator.
All the hot girls in Florida.
Blaze is bringing up amaze balls again,
man.
which I don't remember amaze balls.
Do not consent to this recording.
I totally disagree with that because you were all about maze balls on the ride and maze balls when we got off. So,
Amaze
oh,
balls.
like amazing balls, I think is what he was
Amaze
saying,
balls.
something like that. So ride number 2 in the books for Xcelerator, because actually taking ride number 4 for me, but that was in the back. And I love the back. I do love the front though. The front's legit. The front is legit, the back's legit. Left side is always, again, I will say, if you want the best side of Xcelerator, it is the left side of Xcelerator because of the tweak over the top. Are we going back on for the 3rd time?
Of course.
Of course, he says. Let's go. Whew. 3 rides on Xcelerator, 2 in the back, 1 in the front. Gonna go look at some Boysenberry gear. Maybe get a ride on, as Blaze keeps calling it, Wipeout. AKA hang time. Yeah. Anyways, we'll see. We gotta check out some of this Boysenberry stuff still. This is a bit of decor. It's not a ton of decor, but I think it's all over next to GhostRider and in the Ghost Town. So we'll check that out.
How you in the contest? Are you in that today?
Not me. I thought that was you.
I want to see that. That's later.
DJ Blaze truly believes he's going to sign up and win the Boysenberry pie eating contest. How many pieces of pie you think you can turn down?
7 pies.
7 whole pies?
Easy.
Bro.
I like Boysenberry.
All right, off to get, well, you need an icy, right? Is that what you jonesing for?
Let's get it warmed up. Let's get it.
All right.
Get it.
Off to get the drink plan, icy. Let's go. Oh, you know me and the characters, and we got some characters out right now. Let's see. Woo. You gotta love the guys out for Boysenberry. Love the cartoons, love the characters. Everybody's out. See if I can get a character wave. Thank you.
Women would wear this just like this around their neck. I mean, so you think of it as being, yeah, you think of it as being, it's a fashion, just like that.
You got one of the classes here right now. Again, some of the guides are out taking care of the kids and showing them what went on. You got, like I said, the Boysenberry groups all going on. So again, Boysenberry's all going on right now. Oh, we got a horse. Oh. Gonna go in? We're gonna go in. We're gonna go see horses.
thought one of them.
Oh, whoo, whoo, whoo. Right, is that ride number 4? 3 in the back?
Yeah, 4.
Ride number 4, Xcelerator Park is getting busy. Will not lie. Boardwalk Barbecue is closed today. A lot of places are closed, and the park is pretty darn busy. So it's kind of a sad thing when I see that, because you really want to make sure everything's open so people are getting in and out. But lines are busy. I'm gonna go score DJ Blaze a fast pass so he can get on Silver Bullet. I need my ride on Silver Bullet. So yeah, so see the Silver Bullet of GhostRider. I'm still trying to convince him for GhostRider because it is a much better ride than Silver Bullet. Be back. How many ices is that for you?
7.
So Blaze says 7. 7 ices in. My homie's making my pass worth it for him. All right, so keep drinking the ices because there's no way I'm putting down 7 ices today. Walk past GhostRider and you have all of the other part of Boysenberry Fest down here. Same as like Scary Farm, it's on the other side of the. Also, the nice thing though is there's a lot of tables back here. So if you're looking for a place to sit and it's too busy up front, come back here and just come back and eat and enjoy your stuff back here. Time for GhostRider. Third ride in the books for GhostRider for me. 2 in the back, 1 in the front. We got fast pass for DJ Blaze so we get on GhostRider, because right now it's all the way back to the miners, all right, the gold miners. So again, I think we're gonna grab some quick food, and I think I'm heading home. And DJ Blaze is gonna be a champ, and he's going up to Six Flags and gonna go ride. You gonna go to Six Flags?
I believe so.
Homie's going to Six Flags, and then he's gonna go home to Vegas and then DJ tonight. Man, mad props to my boy, dude. Mad props. Wow, lots and lots of people here today eating Boysenberry Festival items. Everything you're getting to see today. There is a lot of people here just eating. I mean, that's awesome. The tables are packed. The rides are busy. I mean, this is Pony Express, and it's packed. So, yeah, thank goodness for Fast Pass. Now, I love Boardwalk Barbecue and getting a rotisserie chicken or chicken tenders over there, but honestly, when you need to eat healthy, the best place to go is the pizza shop. They got a chicken Caesar salad. You can get it with no dressings. You can get it fresh, or they're already pre-made. You can grab it and scan out. It's just another good option to have that's healthy, and it's not like a fast food option, right? Super quick trip today. Only about 3 hours. Hung out with Blaze. It was busy as all could be at Knott's. And with him not having Fast Pass, it does hold up. And honestly, he hates not, getting right on. So I'm like, dude, you got to invest in Fast Pass for Knott's. But he's also getting to go up to Six Flags, which makes me sad because I wish I was too. But that is not happening right now. We got the girls over here doing some TikTok dance. So maybe I can go be on TikTok with them. I mean, let's face it, the TikTok numbers will go through the roof with me on it for sure. I'll be like, Tick tock, look at me. Anyways, great day today. Had a bunch of fun. Oh, I got a sick shirt. You'll probably see it later in one of the videos. But anyways, keep your hands up, seatbelt buckled, and your phone in your pocket.